All right, this video is going to be packed with lots of tips, so hang in there. Here we go. And we're out of wireless mics today, so join me. Here we go. So I want to talk about the power of design. Design is very important because everything can be done in phases. This project behind me is a $50,000 project that's going to be in 3 phases. First phase, which we just completed, is ripping out all this nasty overgrowth that was there, framing everything up with a wall. It actually wraps around the entire back, and then we pulled that wall right here over a foot so that we can widen the driveway. That's phase 2. So we're gonna do a brush finish concrete driveway, expand that, and make sure that they have something they can actually use because they got quite a few cars. Phase 3 is in the back where we're gonna redo the pool area, and we're gonna have a stamp color concrete area where they can actually put loungers, they can hang out, there's a fire pit area. You get the idea. Without a design, without conveying the message in the first place, none of this would have happened. So we got phase 1 done. We're gonna start in phase 2, phase 3. Let me show you a couple things with phase 1. First tip, as far as a design tip with phase 1, would be balance. There's a nice anchor over there. We got a flowering cherry tree right there, and then boom, we put another one out here. The reason I did that is to create a cohesive balance. When you're driving down the street, all of a sudden you see that guy and you see this guy. There wasn't any room in this bed to do it, so I pulled it out and away, and we created a nice little mulch landscape area. So you got bam, bam. That's the first thing. Second thing is, when you've got a bunch of plantings and overgrowth and you're ripping out and putting in new plantings, they're gonna be pretty small. It's gonna look a little off. So what I like to do is put something a little bigger in the backdrop that's gonna be really nice to give color and ambience and pop, and then something smaller in between there. So we got a Weigela wine and rose here. So if they're sitting out here having a late night fire pit kind of night, they've got this and they can still see out to the tree. And we've got the boxwoods that are breaking it up. So you got winter interest as well. So everything isn't gonna look dormant all the time. Let's see if we can dig up another tip. Oh, I know, what do I always talk about? Landscape lighting, here you go. We got path lights and we got uplights. We've got uplights on the trees and we got uplights on these columns of the architecture of the home. So we're actually enhancing and showing everybody this beautiful investment. The path lights are an intimate little way to show everything, to obviously welcome you as you come up. It's a wham bam, it's easy. If you like these kind of videos, go check out this one. I'll see you on the next video.